On the wall, it doesn't figure I made a mistake. It doesn't figure I made a mistake. Before 9 o'clock tomorrow, you will receive 6 million naira alert. Yes. Because of my daily meeting, I can only do 6 million a day. So tomorrow morning before 9, I'll do 6 million. Once it's 12 midnight, I'll do 6 million. One day, it doesn't figure I made a mistake. It doesn't figure I made a mistake. Alright, bro, one love, yeah? Dope. Walaka, my man, what's up?
Why are you this weekend? I mean, why are you this weekend? You are living in a mansion that is yours. You still have other houses out there. The cars I saw outside, they all belong to you. But your mother and your brother are living in that poor village house. Is that not gross wickedness? How can you be this wicked? Huh?
Walaka.
I'm listening.
Wow.
I said I'm listening.
You know I can comfortably build a house for my brother and my mother. I can establish my brother with money to do any type of business. I can even buy him a car. True or false?
I know now. I know it won't cost you anything.
Good. Do I look like a fool?
No.
You are my childhood friend. You know my family.
I know now. You've always had your brother and your mother at heart. I'm wondering why the sudden change. Is it because of the money?
No. Walaka. Ask my brother and my mother what I've done. The way they are treating me. In fact, I don't even know how to place this. Just ask my brother and my mother why they are treating me this way.
How do you mean?
Walaka, if you see Alphonsus, my brother, just call him and ask him, why are you treating Edozie Fege this way?
People are just confusing me. Aloysius will send me to you. You will send me to Aloysius.
Have I lied for you before? Just meet Aloysius. Ask him this simple question. Why are you treating Edozie Fege this way?
Baby, you're not happy. What is it?
I'm fine. Don't worry.
No, you are not.
It has nothing to do with you.
And you call yourself my boyfriend. You claim you love me so much that you want to spend the rest of your life with me. And you find it difficult sharing your problems with me. Am I a stranger here?
Okay. I will tell you. I'm not happy because of what I saw in the village yesterday.
And what was that?
You know that my friend that came back from South Africa with lots of money.
The one that was squatting with you in your one-room apartment before he traveled.
Exactly.
What's that his name?
Edozie.
Yes, Edozie. What about him?
Can you believe it that his mother and only brother are living in abject poverty in the village? As in, eating from hand to mouth.
God have mercy. Are you kidding me?
I can't understand. I can't comprehend. How can Edozie have so much money, living in affluence? He cannot take care of his mother and only brother. Does it make sense? I don't just understand.
Wonder shall never end.
I am going to see to the root of this. I want to know why Edozie should have all this money and leave his mother and brother to die in poverty.
Wonder shall never end. Oh my God.
Because you go also.
Wait, how much is this money, sir?
So 500 naira.
I don't know how she was begging and begging and begging and begging before we gave her that.
Oh, thank God you were there. Very stupid woman.
It's funny.
Very funny.
Mama, good morning.
Edozie, what is it? Edozie, what is it? Who is your mama? Me. Edozie, you must betray me. You must betray me. I am not your mother. Go and look for who is your mother.
Why are you people treating me this way? What have I done wrong? Everyone out there now sees me as a devil. It's unfair.
Edozie, we are not treating you anyhow. You know what to do. And until you do it, there is no sacrament that is binding you with us. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, you heard it. Papa?
Accept this.
God punish you and this thing you call money. You think you can deceive me with this? I don't have respect for this because they are just papers. I'm with you. Go with your money because I don't need them. Edozie, go with your money. Take your money and leave. Edozie! Edozie, come and take your money and go! We don't need you and your money. Take your money and go! Don't leave it here, Edozie! Edozie, come on, Edozie! Then you will come and take this thing and go. I don't need it. Edozie, come and take the money and leave! Hey! You don't want to take it there? No problem. I will burn there because I don't need it. I don't need it.
Keep your hands clean so you don't get burned. Do the right thing so you won't get hurt.
Mama,
why?
Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do, everything you do, everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do, everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything.
Where is the joy now? Where is the joy? Where is the fulfillment? I made money because of my family, my brother and my mother, but now they have rejected me. They have rejected my money. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. Edozie fege. All the back you make a mistake.
your face like this? What happened now? What happened now? Eh? Why is your face like this? Talk to me and I'm your mother. What is it? What happened?
They rejected me.
Yeah. They rejected you. That is why your face is like this. As if somebody died. My son, look. Brighten your face and smile for your mother. Now, mother, oh?
Mama,
just smile. Just smile. Smile for your mother. Eh? One thing. Oh, mama. Look, let me tell you this. That God led you all the way from the city and came back safely is enough to give glory to God. Many people went there, they never came back. So why won't we thank God? Go in and brighten up. Take your bath. Your mother prepared the right food. Go in! Have you know my son?
I've not smiled for the past 6 days.
What else will I be doing if not to put smile on your face? Let's go in! I'm happy you enjoyed it.
No.
Hey,
Mama.
really for one day.
I went for it. Let's call a spade a spade.
What is it?
You went through hell just to see us through school. And all I do is eat your meal every now and then and say, Mama, thank you. Morning, Mama, thank you. Afternoon, Mama, thank you. Night, Mama, thank you. I am tired of Mama, thank you. Huh?
My son. My son.
Mama.
God
should fast forward his time. God's time is the best. God's time is the best.
Oh. Fast forward God's time for him.
Okay.
Hey? See, God has his timing for every one of us. Some he blessed before they graduate from the university. Some immediately they graduate from the university. Some years after they have left the university. Why not be patient? For they said, a patient dog is the fattest dog. My son, be patient. Be patient. One day, God will touch them to give you work, and your heart desire will be granted. Oh?
She's patient. Oh no, Dodo.
You're welcome. You can't continue like this. You can't continue like this. Do you want to go to the city and remain outside? You want to live on the streets? You have submitted your CV to different companies. Why not wait for them to call you for a job? One day they will call you. I know that.
This is what I'm tired of. One day. God's time is the best. What is all this? Eh? I'm going to 40 years ever.
I hope you didn't finish the food. Hey, your pussy soup.
My brother, we can't continue like this. It doesn't make sense. All we do is eat and say, Mama thank ma in the morning. Afternoon, Mama thank ma. Night, Mama thank ma. Are you not tired? Abba, if you're not tired, I'm tired.
Ozie, we don't know anybody in the city. That is the problem. No cousin, no brother, no sister, nowhere to stay.
I and I know police here. I and I go dog police here. I'm not gonna be. Let's make move first. Let's stay with friends, relatives. Let's just make move first. Let's make move.
My own is that I am very comfortable riding my keke in this village till the companies I submitted my CV are ready to call me.
You are you serious?
Yes, comfortable.
You are comfortable with keke. Graduate after 5 years in school. You are comfortable with keke. Fine and good. I am not comfortable. Okay? I am not. In fact, I'm not sure you're my blood because if you are, you wouldn't be saying this rubbish. After 5 years in school, you are comfortable with keke. I am not. My brother, I'm not comfortable. Okay? I am not. I'm going to Onitsha. Simple. Onitsha. In at the comfortable.
My son, remember all that I told you. My good Lord that I am serving will bless you through it.
Amen.
For God's kobo is better than the devil's naira.
Mama, you've been saying this thing from inside now. Why are you sounding like I'm going to do money ritual?
I know why I'm saying this. I am your mother. I know why I'm saying it. Remember where you are coming from and be courageous.
Mama.
Please.
Mama, don't bother yourself. I trust my brother.
Okay.
He will not do anything stupid.
Amen. Amen.
You want to start your own? Let me go in, John. Mama, Fedro.
Go well, eh?
Oh, God.
Because, do you go where you're now?
I'll call you once again.
All right. Take care of yourself. Be a good boy, yo.
Yeah.
Do you go where you're?
I will pay you one day. I will pay you one day.
Why you're? If I don't know, I can't say so. Do you go where you're?
Your weight is too much.
I don't understand. Look at what I want. Anything that is legit, anything that is lawful that can be giving me money. I can't just stay like this now. Anything at all, I don't mind. I just need to be getting money every day.
Like working in the polythene factory.
No. I don't want polythene factory. Those people, they'll be saying month end, they'll pay you. No. I need a place where I'll be working. At the end of the day, they'll pay me. I need daily money. Those old polythene companies, they will say month end, another story will end and say, no. I need daily money.
Those boys that are selling gala la casara, those people are making good money. One of them told me that sometimes they make up to 5,000 naira a day.
Me working gala la casara?
I'm telling you, 5,000 naira a day.
Are you sure? Do they make such money?
I'm telling you.
Every day 5,000? I'm
telling you. But the thing is that the people that know you very well now, as you graduate, after spending 5 years in the university, they now see you in the street hawking.
But forget that one. Who people help? What is people? Life is a journey, my brother. I won't be selling gala and mineral for forever. It's just for the meantime. Are you getting me? And besides, when I let her upgrade in my life, those same people that say, hey, he's selling gala, they'll still come back and celebrate me. So forget, if you are sure they make 5,000 naira every day, it's a good business.
Okay, I'll get you to one of them.
Please.
I will help you.
Please. No, you feel I like a bomb. My brother, if I know they do anything, I like a bomb.
You get this how, or you get that how. Just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter, money be the matter. No matter how you get the sweetness in the same. Just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter, money be the matter. Whether you get this how, or you get that how. Just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter, money be the matter. No matter how you get the sweetness in the same. Just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter.
No. But the stress too much.
Sometimes for this life, somebody has to come up from the comfort zone to hustle hard. So you know what? You know what God will do? No, sir. Come back home.
That was how we were raised. We were one big happy family until that fateful day. I cursed that day. I cursed the day I met Godfather.
I greet you, sir.
I greet you too.
Did you check the expiring dates?
How much is the gala?
Normal level now, 17 naira.
How much is everything you get, including the drinks?
You won't buy everything?
Everything.
$9,300.
9,300.
Yes, sir.
That's okay. Can I have it?
God bless you, sir.
No problem. God will bless you more. Take this. Go ahead, take it.
Give me my 9-3. My mama won't me about blood money. I don't want to get it. Give me my girl out. Give me my money.
Why don't you just take this money? I'm giving you the money from my heart.
My mama warned me about blood money, people. How cannot involve me? Give me my gala or give me my 9-3. How you go buy that small thing and give me this kind of money? Today like Christmas.
You don't want this?
I don't need them. Give me my gala or give me my 9-3. This one pass me. Give her.
Okay. Hey, wait, come. Take this. Take my card. You see, the way you've been hustling, I've been watching you. All the strength that you've been using, you can use it for better things. Instead of hawking gala, hawking like a Sarah. There are better things to do with your talent. I can feel your muscle. Take this card. Go ahead. Call me anytime. Whenever you change your mind, I will make your life better. You think if I am, you go do okay.
Gala.
All the strength that you've been using, you can use it for better things. Instead of hawking gala, hawking like a Sarah. There are better things to do with your talent. I can feel your muscle. Take this card. Go ahead. Call me anytime. Whenever you change your mind, I will make your life better. You think if I am, you go do okay.
Okay. Are you not going to work today?
What's the time?
8:30 in the morning.
This is small. I want the guy just wear the way noses. Best if you meet up later.
I'm going to. Choose yourself.
Safe. Hello, Oga, please. Good morning, sir.
Who is this?
Is that Gala seller you gave your card yesterday at Opiweka?
Oh, I see. Are you ready to make something out of your life?
Yes, sir. Please, how can I see you, sir?
Okay, come to the and Lagos Park. Enter bus, enter the Victoria Island, precisely, then call me.
Alright, sir. I'm coming, sir. Thank you, sir. Wow. I will be traveling to Lagos tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes. The company has submitted my CV, invited me for an interview. The interview is for next tomorrow, so I need to be in Lagos tomorrow.
Oh, this is good news. Are you serious? You know, I've always told your mom that her labor in training both of you in her institution through narrow means of livelihood will never be in vain. I know that one day God will remember every effort she put in training you in school. Oh, I'm so happy. Congrats in advance. I'm not dying. Congrats.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I know that the job is already yours. You have gotten the job. It was God that brought this thing, and God will perfect what He has started in your life. Yes,
Yes, who are you? Who are you?
My brother. Is this Godfather's house?
Yes, like I said before, who are you?
My name is Edozie Fege from Onitsha.
Oh. You told me you would be coming today, yes. Come in. Just wait here. Good luck.
Good day, sir. Please, what do I offer you?
Anything.
Okay, would you prefer rice and chicken with cold drinks or pounded yam and vegetable soup served with fresh juice?
No. No, just juice.
Only juice?
Only juice.
Okay, I'll be right back.
I thought he said he's at home. What is keeping him? Good night. Sorry, good afternoon, sir.
Young man, you see, in this business, the first thing you need to learn is patience.
That is indeed. You need to learn how to wait.
You know, like the bird called Ude. You know the vulture?
Yes. Right?
Yes, sir.
The vulture is a patient bird.
Come on. Okay, lose. Do you understand that? And that way, then you can do what? Grab whatever your destiny is still for you.
Please, sir, what kind of business are we talking about? Let me know if I can do it.
What kind of business can you not do?
I can do any kind of business once it does not hurt my conscience. Once it is legit, I will do it. I've been suffering all my life.
Once it won't hurt your conscience, and once it's legit.
Yes, sir.
Young man, you see, in this country, there is no good business that comes your way legitimately. No good business. For you to be able to make even in this country, you must sell your conscience to the God of money. Yes. It's either you get even or have fun like for that it will continue to remain as poverty or beyond. You are extreme poverty. So you make a choice.
Sorry, sir. I rather remain poor than do anything that will hurt my conscience. I'm sorry.
You would? Oh, good. Oh, good. Then simply return back to Opiweka, where you hustle and run after moving vehicles. By the hope of God, a pianist in a Kolota. In one key baby sound, Gaga. In Ano? Now. Hallelujah. Asking you, hallelujah, about. Get out of the top. Conscience. Does anyone know your conscience? Yeah? I guess you're also suffering from what I call the triple S. Psychological, psychomotic, psychophancy syndrome of deficiency of vigilantiness. That feels poverty.
Keep your hands clean so you don't get burned.
Hey, wait! Oga said you should wait first. Huh? Oga said you should wait first. Oga said you should wait first. Huh?
My brother, please. I'm an only son.
Oga said I should not open the gate for you. He said I shouldn't open the gate for you. So, wait here first.
I am not interested again.
Will you calm down?
Please, okay, I'm down.
Are you alright?
I'm fine, sir. Can I go? I'm an only son. Let me just go, sir. Pico, my brother there. I'm an only son. Please, let me just go. I'm begging you.
Comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do.
I will shout, oh. This is kidnap, oh. I will shout, oh. I will shout, oh. Come on, open this gate, oh. Let me go. Come on, open this gate, oh. Come on, open this gate, oh. Come on, open this gate, oh. I will shout, oh. This is kidnap, oh. You, come on, open this gate. Open this gate, let me leave here. I will rush you. I will rush you. I will rush you.
Will you keep quiet?
Open this gate. I want to go.
Anyway. Oga said I should give you this for your transport back to Onitsha. Oga said I should give it to you. Let me open the gate. You're free to go.
Let me go.
No, don't worry. Just go.
No, this is too much.
Just go, it's okay. Just go.
So sorry for the embarrassment. You know, you're my guy, yeah?
No,
thank you very much.
You're welcome. No, you just go.
You know what?
I'm okay.
Greeting for me, yeah?
Alright. Comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do. Everything.
Child, money is good though. Look at me, spending a night in a hotel, ate good food, and still have more than enough to transport myself back to Onitsha. When I was already thinking on how to get money to transport myself back to Onitsha. If he had not given me this money, probably I would be sleeping in a motor park with an empty stomach and be begging for money to transport myself back to Onitsha. just the same person, with a little more in his hands, made a difference. Make thunder fire anybody with some money no good. Make thunder fire anybody with some money no good.
Since you came back from this your job interview in Lagos, I noticed that you have been this cold. And I'm wondering, did you fail?
I did not fail, just that.
That what?
The requirements are too tedious.
What kind of requirement will the company ask from you that you cannot provide?
It's not even requirements. The conditions are just... The condition is something else.
Conditions like what and what?
Is this another panel?
Oh, I'm thinking about your family's condition. There is enough poverty in your family already. What condition would the company give to you that you will not grab with both hands as long as money comes out at the end of the day? The poverty in your condition, are you not comfortable with it?
You won't understand.
Let me tell you one thing. Money making is not easy. People go through a lot of stuff to make money. You cannot just sit down and be licking ice cream and eating popcorn and make money at the same time. It's not possible. So I'm telling you, if you have to reconsider their conditions, call them back or go and take the job instead of staying idle here. I know I'm telling you this. So I don't do something that you will regret in the future.
Malaka, you won't understand.
Say my own.
Please, I'm begging you, please. Please don't do this to me. You don't do this to me. I'm begging you with all my heart. Please don't do this to us. Don't do this to me.
Madam, what do you want me to do? Have I not tried for you? I have tried.
You have tried. You have really tried more than enough. All I am asking you is to give us more time.
What more time do you want, madam? What more time? Even if I give you from here to eternity, you will never produce the money. So just sign the paper so that the ownership of the land will be transferred to me.
Hey.
Sign, madam.
No, don't do this. Don't say that. Don't say that. I'm basically a reform.
I told you when you were collecting this money not to train these boys in this strategy.
Yes.
Because they are the for boys. Yeah? I advised you to allow them also like their fellow mates. Yeah? By, pushing barrows or riding Okada. But you refused. You said you must train them. Now, they have graduated and became just riders. Just riders. Who is the fool now, madam?
I know.
You don't know anything, madam. You don't know anything. You told me that as soon as your children finish their school and their youth service, you will start paying me. Aloy graduated 3 years ago. And the dossier has just graduated last year. Yet, you have not paid anything. You have not paid. Sign this paper so that I take the land, madam.
Please don't take the land. Don't take the land. I beg you, anymore. Don't take the land. That is the only inheritance that my husband left for my children.
take the land away from them. You now know that it's the only inheritance your husband left for them. Eh? When you were using it at Collateral. It didn't occur to you. Did it occur to you, madam?
It doesn't. Are you ready to go back to school?
How can I go back to school? I told you I need money for my future. I can't go back to school without money.
It's okay. It's okay. And how much is the money?
60,000 naira.
60,000 naira. Wait for me, I'll be back. It is my son. This is 60,000. Go back to school.
Mama, where did you get this money from, Mama?
My son, there is a God in heaven that watches over you. He has provided.
God, thank you for being God.
God bless you, my son. God bless you. So you're not happy? Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Mama.
Hey, let me help you pack your things.
Sign this paper. Madam, sign this paper so that I go and take my land. After spending my money on these good-for-nothing boys, you want me to leave the money like that? I cannot.
Oga. We are not good for nothing boys. Watch your tongue. We are not good for nothing boys.
Then pay the money or I seize the land.
Okay. What are we even talking about?
The whole money is 850,000.
This is 50,000 naira. Huh? Come back in 2 weeks' time for your balance. Where are you?
Hey. What did you just say?
That's why I spoke to him.
If I come back next month for the balance of this money, and if I don't see it, take
your money and go now. They've given you part of the money. Let us do with your money now.
Let us go.
If I see you today again, I will destroy your legs. Mama, why didn't you tell me that you borrowed this money to go to school? Eh? Why would we use our only inheritance as collateral just to pay our school fees? And Brother Lloyd, you knew all this one and you never did me twice. Tell me.
No, I only came to know when you
Mama, why would you use our only inheritance to borrow money? I would have one.
Mama, I don't understand. This man really killed us. He brought us down to zero. Instead of you to be appreciating me for bringing some money, you are interrogating me. I don't understand.
You are not going anywhere until you tell me where you get that money from.
But what is all this now?
You are not going anywhere.
Mama, you were here. This man brought us down to zero. He insulted our life. Every other young boy will use that 50,000 and go and enjoy. But no, I brought it home to wipe away shame from the face of my family. Must I explain where I got 50,000 naira from? Eh? Okay, am I not a hustler? Am I not in Onitsha?
Is it the gala and the lagasa that you started selling not up to 2 weeks that you made 50,000 naira from?
Before Uncle, it's a good business.
Let me even ask you. Where do you intend to get the 800,000?
Good.
Brother Lord, I shame on Yes. Is this not your ticket? Are you not hustling? Why didn't you bring the money? I raise money. You people should appreciate me and thank me for bringing money at all. You are here interrogating me. How can I do? People should leave me alone. No. Leave me alone.
I'm your senior brother. Mind the way you talk to me.
So Mama actually borrowed those money she was giving to us when we were in school. And she kept it away from us. Intending that we will pay back after graduation. Why must she use our only inheritance? The only inheritance our father left. Why must she use it as collateral? Now we have graduated. No work. Life is complicated. Life is complicated.
Good day, Godfather. Good day. What a beautiful day. Sit down. You know, I know you come back. I knew.
You were not sure.
I was. You see, the first day that I gave you money, you know you turned it down. Remember? When you came and you took the money, I knew I had you. Yes. You know, initially I termed it the triple S that has a .D. You know, psychomathematical, psychological, psychophantic, inventing that solves the mouth for knowing the forwardness. You know, but now that you're here, you don't have
I don't understand how.
the power of money, ego. You see, let me tell you something. Money has the greatest force on earth. It is a force that moves the mountain. It is a motivative force that can even uproot the unuprootable. You know, you imagine the kind of problems that it solves for you. The kind of life it gives you, no matter how long it lasts. You know, sometimes it could take like a week, 2 weeks. Sometimes it lasts forever. But the issue is, can you compare your life to that time? You are running after vehicles at Opi Week. To now that you've touched your first 100,000 naira. Okay, how do you say it?
Honestly speaking, this last few days was better.
Good. The power of money is lovely. The worst thing that happens to a man is ego. Money can make a man to turn to shit. Like Gaddafi, this our senator that talks anyhow. It's money that makes him talk. It's either you die doing what? Looking for the money, finding the money, than to live in poverty. Poverty is the height, the thing that makes a man dive into gutter, and is not good for life. Anyway, you're here, it's good.
My mind is made up. I have sold my conscience to the god of money. I'm ready.
Not yet. You haven't. One more test. One more test, then we will know if actually you've made up your mind. Just one more test, then we will know if you have actually sold your mind, to your conscience, to the god of money. If you think.
know, in life, nobody cares about how you make the money. Because no good money comes in a holy way. People simply celebrate you once you've made the money. You know, you can even celebrate yourself because you're going to discover the difference between living and existing. You see, in this world, a whole lot of people are simply existing at the mercy of those that are living. So once you're broke, you're simply existing, you're not living. Let us see. You see this man here? This man is the reason behind your poverty. Yes. This man is the reason behind your miserable life. This is the reason why you keep jeopardizing your life running after moving vehicles each and every day just to collect a mere chish. He is the brain behind your miserable life. So, here. Take it. Once you shoot him, you grab your millions. But I'm sure that he's going to beg you to spare his life. Oh. He's going to beg you not to kill him so that you can remain poor for the rest of your life. So the question is, are you going to spare his life and remain poor all the rest of your life, or would you shoot him and grab your millions?
My son, please, don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. They kidnapped me yesterday and brought me here. My family are waiting for me. If you kill me, they will never see me again. Please, let me go. Don't no matter that an innocent died by the gun. Please, don't kill me. I'm innocent. I'm innocent. Please.
That's nice. Good. Let me have it. Good. Now, you have made it. See, you have killed poverty. So, you become a millionaire. So, welcome to the club of the Triple A's. You've truly proven that you can sell your conscience to the God of money. Let's go.
You're going to pay someday. Everything you do comes back to you. Oh, everything you do. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you.
You see, I have my contacts all over the world. As a matter of fact, I have my boys in South Africa, South Pacific, Europe, United Kingdom, the United States of America, and various countries in Africa. And you know one thing? I do. And all my boys are bigger boys, swimming in money. There you go. The thing, actually, the system there is kind of illegal. You know why? Because so long as you are loyal to the Godfather, you remain in cash. But if you turn out to be stupid, you see, that thing that happened to that old man's blood, the blood goes some way. Message is clear, Godfather. Whenever I start.
Immediately. I have some consignments coming in from South Africa. The guys was supposed to bring to me the equivalent of $5 million. But I changed my mind. So I'm gonna lead you to his death. So you're gonna go there, get the money, get the consignment, and when you come back, 10 million naira each. And you know what? You're caught. And that will be 1/10. And that 1/10 will be 1 million naira. Big time money, man. Big time money. Yeah, I like it.
How am I supposed to get it? Also get the consignment?
Easy. Step by step. You know, you still have a whole lot of tutorials to go through. I don't want you divulging in what I term the triple S, which is a psychomatic, psychological, psychophancy innuendo, which divulge men into their wealth. Okay, we ready?
Now money be the matter.
Honestly, I'm no longer happy with you. I don't like the whole thing at all. I don't like it at all. You told me you rejected the job, yet you're not in the house. Every time I will call you, you will say you are in Lagos. You will come back. I will not see you. See, if you're still not work there, you better come and pack your things from here. Pack your things from here and move to Lagos so that I know that I'm not accommodating anybody again. Not when your things are in my room. You are nowhere to be found. I don't like staying with someone I cannot give account of his steps. I'm not happy at all. Come, pack your things, move to Lagos and stay there. That's your way now. You call me later, you will explain later. That's your way. I'm tired of all these things, so I'm telling you the truth. I'm tired. Nonsense. Man, look at on it been do agwo.
You don't get the whether you get this how or you get that how. Just get money.
Now, look at this map very well. Now, here is Tamaka. The flight arrives here. As soon as the flight arrives, it takes us all through this way down here. Now, when it gets to this place, it stops. That's one point. From this place, now, there's another shuttle. He must take that shuttle, just a fact, no choice. Now, it shuttles down back to this place. Once he moves to this place, he picks up on the shuttle that takes him down here. From here, at this point now, we close it in. Then he comes down from there straight to the hotel. Are you there? By the time he gets to the hotel, you're already at reception, waiting. We just pretend. Do whatever. Press your phone. Read paper. Whatever it is, just disguise. Like you didn't see him. That'll be alright. Now he's going to be talking to the receptionist. As soon as he's done with the receptionist, you know what happens? He gets into his room. He's going to give me a call. Before he gives me the call, you are already there. While you get in there, what do? You be friendly. Just be nice. Now he's going to give me another call. The moment he gives me another call, then I'll give you instructions. Then you take the action. That's just it.
It's a don't leave.
So you understand it? That's clear, right?
It is. Baby,
No matter what you do, I'll mess it up.
Dear, back well, not before everybody. Is Agaro, was Agaro. I got to joke with my friends. So it's a don't do.
You know what I hate most? All the triple S's. I believe in you.
Did you figure out no mistake?
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, welcome. How are you? My name is Lord Luca. My friend Godfather had a reservation for me.
Oh, yes, sir. It suits. Room 109.
You're right.
The room service will help you there, sir.
Okay. Which room?
That way.
Sir, can make yourself comfortable.
Yeah, like it. It's cool.
Okay, take it.
Yo, hello. Yeah, Godfather himself. I am in the hotel room right now. Anyway, I like it. I like it so much. You know how we go in the AC, Godfather? I thought you're gonna call me for a hangout. Nigga, you gonna call me for a hangout? Man, I'm in Nigeria. Godfather himself.
All right. Take it.
Who is there? Who is there? You know, in this business, you got to trust no one.
I come in peace.
Let's see what you got there. Nigga, what the fuck is this? See, look.
All around.
When I saw you running after those moving bankers,
I did not only see strength and speed, I also noticed determination. You were so determined to get your money at all costs. What a wonderful friendship, with such determination, can, easily, take you fight any kind of business that you ever get involved in. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Just a minute. I'll be right back.
Everything you do comes back to you.
There we go. That is 1 million naira. Exactly 10% of the total business. We had an agreement, 10% cut for every deliverance.
May you be the God where they see now. May you be the God where they see now. Come on, Chukwa Fulanya. Hey. Thank you very much.
So tell me, you have a passport or you don't?
I don't even get local passport, talk of international. No passport.
You don't have an international one?
No, even ID.
Don't worry, we handle that. I would say, welcome. Welcome. Because this is the Billionaire Club. Welcome to the Billionaire Club. And then get ready to face extreme business. So whatever.
Hi. Papa, Godfather. True, you are the Godfather. Oku Munafege. You see this money? But I got through the not there. I will mess up the roads out. House in fake bullet, they will hear from me. How would I will confirm that I know how money? But I got through the bridge, I got no there now. How's it going? I know it's a map of the area. Thank you, sir. Because I got to do that very fast.
I can't say. The triple A begins the triple A. With the triple S begins the triple S. Whatever you do in life, don't be a triple S. That's what we call psychological.
Chidozie,
Mama.
what I am asking you is, where did you get this money from?
Is it necessary? The most important thing is that the money is here. I'm gonna take this money to Agajo and remind him that we are not useless boys, as he said. Simple.
Chidozie, you have not answered my question. Where did you get the money from? Where did you get this money from?
Mama, when you were paying our school fees, I remember vividly that all you do is bring money and say, go and pay our school fees. Each time we try to ask, Mama, where do you get this money from? You'll be like, no, don't worry. But here we are. You were borrowing money from Ogajo just to pay our school fees. To crown it all, you used our only inheritance as collateral. Now, look at where it has landed us. Please, take this money to Ogajo. Simple.
Aloysius, are you hearing your brother? Are you listening to your brother? Let it not be that Chidozie has joined some gang of robbers. Let it not be, oh! Hey!
Mama, I am not an armed robber, okay? I can't even do such. This money is clean and clean. Go and clear your debts. I'm tired of talking, no. I'm tired of talking.
I'm not just you're not saying anything.
Mama, just go and give Ogajo his money. Later we'll discuss all these issues.
Simple.
Okay? First thing first.
Huh? And I'll be going to the session. I'll be going to the session. I'll go and give you first, then we can talk about it.
What is it? What is it?
See, I am not comfortable with this money that the business is bringing home. Something is strongly telling me that it's not a genuine money, it's not a clean money. And my mind is telling me that my son has joined the gang.
That's right.
And the bad one like that.
We will ask him in the morning, and if he refuses to give us a meaningful answer, then we will let him know that we are not part of his evil. And he will eat his money alone, and he is ready to tell us where and how he made that money.
Okay. That is alright. Hey! Hey!
Don't jump into conclusion yet. Take it a break first. Let me think. What was it?
No. You have to tell me how you made almost 1 million in less than 1 month. How? Tell me.
Mama, thank God you said 1 million naira, not 1 billion. Why are you shouting? Kelechi Nwakali that plays for us now. Am I not older than him? Well, he makes millions of pounds every week. Now, just because of 1 million naira, you want to interview me? Mama, listen, my money is legit. My money is legit. Simple.
How legit it is? It is that legitimate way that you made the money that I want to hear. Tell me how legitimate it is that you made this money. Because I want to celebrate it with you. I want to thank God with you for making it possible for my son to be blessed with this kind of money. Yes!
Mama, you people should be happy. No way I'm going to fake it. Yes. You should thank God. No way I'm going to fake it. My money is clean. My money is legit. Must I tell you everything how I made money? Or must I?
Then it is not legit. Else why hide it? It is not legit. And I want to tell you that we are not part of your evil. Put that to your skull, does it?
You see this money that you have made? If you have made it through robbery, oshi, akantoto, imatapa, whatever dirty thing you made to make this money, look, we are not part of it.
Okay. I want you to start talking. I'm your senior brother and you have to talk to me now.
Mama?
Yeah?
You know what?
Yes.
I'm a footballer.
In Abakonye?
Yes, I'm about Chelsea.
Mom wasn't getting it. I'm
Brother,
tell me how you do this.
brother, this is not serious. I wish their threats was able to stop me then. I wish it was possible to heed to their advice. Maybe apologize and go back to my normal way of life. It's now too late. It's now too late. I made this mistake because my priority number one was all about making money. It was all about making more millions. I wanted to build my own house. I wanted to become the lord of the game. My selfish interest and desperate for money led me into this. I does if I gave me a mistake. I does if I gave me a mistake.
You know, I've had some boys who served me faithfully to the end and became drug lords in this country. Those are the people I call the triple A's. Yeah. And also I've had some who tried to be faster than their heels. But the end was disastrous. Those are the ones that I call the triple S. The psychological, psychophantic, psychomatic innuendos. You know, through their days, everything ends disastrous. You see, I know why I'm telling you all this. Because I know that at some point in life, you must be tempted to do away with my money. Well, I will advise you that whenever such thoughts comes into your heart, do your best to resist it. Because it's not about taking my money and running away. It's about what happens after.
Godfather, your name says it all. You are like a father to me. Trust me, I will never betray you.
I am not begging you not to. Because no matter how much water you draw from the ocean, it can never go dry. Never. You know, what you should be thinking about is what happens to the drawer. That should be important to you.
I understand perfectly well,
Anyway, I have some consignment I want you to dispatch for me immediately.
Where? You know, outside the country.
Not yet outside. Here in this country. Charity, they say, begins at home.
Godfather, trust me, I will deliver. I will deliver.
Good. You know, the best way to be ready is when you distance yourself from the triple S. You see, those psychological, psychomatic, psychophantic innuendos, they don't end well.
Okay, my friend.
Do the right thing so you won't get hurt. You can never run away. You're going to pay someday. Everything you do comes back to you. Oh, everything you do. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do. Everything.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. I want to see your manager.
Who are you, sir?
Tell him Godfather sent me.
Hello? Sir, someone is here to see you. He said he's from the Godfather. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Which way?
Salud! Salud! Take him to the manager.
Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you.
Yes. I need white. Oh, see, guy, I don't need the kurumiri. I need white.
Then you have to wait because the person that supplies the white is not yet here.
Is it the one? Sorry, my bad.
From Godfather.
Goodness.
Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything comes back to you.
And a lot of people don't know about the business. Inside the business, so it's not a fault now. What's up?
I don't
All this song where you dey talk, this guy dey show, he dey show, yarn me something.
Relax, it's very close.
I don't tire, I want to know now.
Comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you.
Life is so good. Life is so good when you're killing it. Oh, so good. Yeah, there you go. Have some. Teach yourself. Go ahead.
No. Thank you very much. I can't try this.
I'll go get what I faggot.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. Very soon, you're going to be a pro. Yeah. You know, you're very good. Very, very good. Your willpower over money is so strong. I like it. And if you can continue like this, believe me, without even leaving the shores of this country, you're gonna make it real big. Real big.
Thank you very much, Godfather.
And of course, your court is there waiting for you already. Pick it up as you move. So you do.
Godfather, I will appreciate mobile transfer. Yes.
So?
Mobile transfer.
No. You see, in this game, we don't deal with the banks. No. We deal with raw cash to avoid trace. So number one lesson that you have to learn is how to keep raw cash, liquid cash, both in your car, in your hotel room, and of course at home. Anywhere you go, that way you'll be able to control what comes to you. And of course, keep aside the SSS people. You need to keep them at bay because they'll snitch on you when they know you're banking.
Oku, you're gonna forget.
So I'm going to give you your cut, Nando, raw cash. Mpunye you baba forget.
Oku will forget.
Oku will forget. So they will know you have arrived.
Yes, sir.
Oku will forget.
Yes, sir.
Oku will forget.
Everything
You know, those here. A consignment that was sent all the way from Malaysia down to South Africa is still hanging. I don't know why. My boys in South Africa are nowhere to be found. I don't know what's happening. Danger. What kind of danger? There's no danger. You know what? I'm sending you to South Africa. I think you're going to be more useful to me there. Yeah. You see, let me tell you. You see, there in South Africa, all the big boys that you see, you're going to meet. Basically, all of them are into the game. It's either you're into the game or you're out of the game. And when you're out of the game, you're a broadcast. Nothing for you. That's why now yes, most of them are in the senses of triple S. Psychological, psychomatic, psychophantic innuendos. So when you get there, I believe you do well. Yeah, of course. And if you work here in South Africa, and if you work it well, like I told you, you're really triple A. I trust you. Those boys got triple S's.
South Africa. South Africa.
You're back.
Comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything.
Dozie?
Mama, it's me. Oh.
Chalo. Dozie? Whose car is this?
No, it's not my car. It's not my car. It's my gas car.
Kakwa.
I told you now, I got a new job in Lagos. This is my gas car.
Edozie, you left this house in less than 2 weeks. You came back with 800,000. Now with a car.
Mama, you people should at least welcome me. Okay, if you must know, that 800,000, I borrowed it from my Oga too. This car belongs to my Oga.
Oh, for say, I know my brother cannot join armed robbers. No, never an idea.
Edozie, are you sure? Edozie, are you sure?
Mama, this Christian mother attitude will never leave. This is my Augusta that I will do. Come, let's dance.
Yeah, but it's your pool.
No! No!
Everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do. Everything.
Mama, brother, I will be traveling to South Africa. So that my Nigerian line will soon be switched off.
To do what?
Business.
Edozie, what kind of business?
Are we in police station? Why are you interrogating me this way? You should be happy that I'm traveling.
Dozie, wait. When will you be leaving?
Next week.
Am I the one you are opening your eyes for? You think you can intimidate me with your eyes? Look, let me tell you, I am not a novice.
Mama.
If I were to be one, I wouldn't have insisted on sending both of you to university level.
Mama, what has you being a novice or not got to do with my traveling to South Africa?
Everything it is here. I know what our boys do in South Africa. They don't do any legitimate job there. All they do there is drugs and robbery. That is it.
Mama, you're right. Because I've heard that before.
Forget what people say. Okay? I'm not a small boy. You people should be happy that I'm traveling. Not interrogating me like as if we're in police station.
Dozier, you are my son, and I have the right to tell you what to do and what not to do.
You are my mother, fine and good. But I'm no longer a baby. Besides, I'm going there to... In fact, I have one more program to do in South Africa. School.
Oh, it's no longer business. It's now program. You lie. You are not going to any South Africa. And if you insist on going to South Africa, you are on your own. Yes! Your brother and I are not in support of it. And that is final. We cannot support evil. That is it. You can go, you want to go.
Keep your hands clean so you don't get burned.
Poverty is not an excuse to crime. We have a name to protect in this village. I don't want us to soil or to destroy the integrity Papa has built with Mama. Okay? We don't have to soil our hands with crime. Please. See, I don't know what you're going to do in South Africa. But whatever you're going to do there, always remember that word. That poverty is not an excuse to crime. Please. Always remember we have a name to protect. We have an integrity. Highest people will say that we are not rich. Yes, we are poor, but we have a name to protect.
I've heard you. Thank you.
Everything you do comes back to you.
What do I do now? Do I call it a quit? After I have succeeded in paying Ogajo's debt? No. I have gone too far to turn back. Godfather will definitely hunt me down. No, never. There is no going back.
Keep your hands clean so you don't get burned. Do the right thing so you won't get hurt. You can never run away. You're going to pay someday. Everything you do comes back to you. Oh, everything you do. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do. Everything comes back to you. Everything, 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 everything you do comes back to you.
Edo's here. You know, me seeing you off to the airport. I know you must be wondering why I accord you so much honor. Yes. It is because I love you like a son. You're so smart and intelligent, very articulate too. And I'm seeing my biological son in you.
Thank you very much, Godfather. But that reminds me, you have not told me about your family.
Well, that will be a story for another day. Maybe when you return. I trust you so much, and I believe you never let me down.
Trust me, Godfather, I will never let you down.
It may also interest you to know that the consignment that you're going after now is worth over $1 million. So you need to be extra careful. I'll lay inside of it. Trust.
Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you.
You're okay?
I'm just going.
Oh. Was it?
No, handshake. I need to take you to your hotel room as fast as possible. No luggage? Let's go.
Oh shit! We lost him. Shit. Godfather. Your end has finally come.
No, listen to me. You'd have been a dead man by now. Godfather has stepped on so many toes, and his associates are eager to suck his blood. They waited for him in Amsterdam, but he didn't show up. Even in Malaysia, he didn't come. Now in SA, he sent you, and the plan was to eliminate you to send a signal to him.
Is it that serious?
Yes. Thank God I saw you. and I liked you. Else, you would have been a dead man by now.
Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you.
Pick up, bitch, come on!
Hey. Motherfuckers that would have sucked your blood. I don't want to call him now. I'll just put it on loudspeaker so that you hear for yourself. Hello, Tano.
Big dude, you don't fuck with me.
Tano, the guy was so smart. And he left.
Fuck! To where?
Tano, I don't know. I missed him.
Oh, shit! Where are you?
Wait, like, I just saw someone like him now. I'll get back to you.
Yeah, big dog, big. Bro, what's up, man? Talk to me. The bitch missed him. Oh, no. Not now. But I smell rats. I'll find out. Let's go.
Thanks for saving my life. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very much.
Do the right thing so you won't get hurt. You can never run away. You're going to pay someday. Everything you do.
So what do you suggest I do now?
See, I want you to be very, very strong. And I want you to stop working for Godfather. I will teach you a better way of making it here. But if you insist on working for him, my dear, you will be a dead man. Because he's also a dead man too. He's just a walking corpse. The people he has offended are so mean. And they will stop at nothing until they get him down.
Am I safe here?
Sure, you are very safe.
Why do you want me alive?
Just thank goodness.
Does it figure? Does it figure? So this is what my boss wanted from me. He knows I might not even survive this. If I succeed, he becomes richer. If I die, he loses nothing. People can be mean. He doesn't want to die, but he wants drug money. So I'm the person that can die at any time. That's not possible. It does you figure there's no mistake. I know better now.
Comes back to you. Everything.
So big dog.
That guy must be something else. How he was able to know that I came after him still baffles me.
Wow.
Before I could take a step, he has taken 6 already.
Oh.
Well, Godfather must have told him to be careful with you.
I thought as much.
But he can't go scot-free. No way. I will hunt down that motherfucker he sent to this country. That black monkey. And I will hunt him down too. So Godfather, wherever you may be, I am coming for you.
So what's the plan?
The plan? The guy doesn't have access to the garden, so the ghost has stayed by themselves. It's just that I was thinking I could get to Godfather through the ghost. I wanted him to come for the ghost himself. Why are you sending some back? Why?
Wait. Are you actually saying Bugatti doesn't know anything about the plan?
He doesn't have to. The only thing to do. That's all he knows.
Then let's go get the ghost.
No. No. That remains my only target. To trap Godfather. You know, the fool loves money. He can sell his soul to the devil for money. I mean, $1 million. Oh, that's a good trap for him. I will get him. Sure. Come on, bitches, show me some love. Show me.
Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you.
Hello?
So why didn't you tell me that? You didn't call me.
Everything. Are you there? Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Why didn't you tell me that you go back into town?
It has not been easy for me here, boss. I wanted to call you before your call came in.
So tell me, did you see Turner and
Big Dove?
Did I give you Bugatti's contact?
Not yet.
Now you listen to me.
I want you to pay attention.
The only reason why you are in South Africa is to do what? To get things done.
I don't know if you forgot. Did you forget? First, you do what?
You get Bugatti's contact. You get the goods. And when you have the goods,
You safeguard them. Simple. Not just safeguarding them.
you know, sometimes when you have a bird at hand, you actually believe that everything is okay. It's not okay.
Why? Because you need to be careful.
And then being careful is being careful about your own shadow, of your own shadow. And who are your shadows? Pano, a Big Dove.
You know why again? In this business, to see.
Trust no one. You don't even trust your mother. No matter who gets involved.
You can never run away. You're going to die someday.
Look at this contact. When you have the goods,
everything comes back to you. Everything.
Do you understand me now? You understand me now? Now listen again. ZUBBY'S with back and Ndi Igbo na-ekwe edozi uche ga-adị. feel it.
Olodo the fanboy. Olodo the fanboy.
So, migrate here from Nigeria. Now you get into South Africa. I killed the AIDS people as disease. Ebola, I killed it as disease. Triple S, triple A. Before I learned the triple S.
So what do you suggest I do now?
Okay. Listen and listen very carefully. Tano wants you dead.
I got that.
He wants to use the ghost to get to Godfather himself. Now, I'm not supposed to give you Bugatti's contact. I'm supposed to take you to Tano so that he could shoot your ass. Okay?
I got that too.
Good. But I like you. I like you a whole lot. So I don't want to play with Tano. I want to play with you. So there's a change of plan.
Which is?
Good. I'll give you Bugatti's contact. So you go get the ghost. Then you call Godfather to send you his buyer's contact. Then you get the money. After which we travel out of this country to Jamaica, at least to start a life from there. What do you think?
Nice plan. Well planned out. Once again, thank you for saving my life.
Everything you do comes back to you. Everything.
So Ghana, you think Big Dove should be trusted?
You know, she has been loyal, but remember the #1 rule of the game: trust no one.
Yeah, that's right. Trust no one. You know, I kind of have a feeling. I feel she's hiding that guy.
You may be right.
Something tells me that guy is safe. And you know Big Dove. The bitch loves black monkeys. She can do anything for them.
Then let's find her straight away.
Yeah. And God have mercy. If I find out she's been playing on me, I swear to God, I will pump her brains with bullets. I'll do it.
Save your strength. I'll personally press the trigger.
Okay, babe. This is the game plan.
Okay.
When you get to Bugatti, collect the ghost. Then you call your boss. He sends you the contact of the buyer.
Okay.
After which you collect the money.
Okay.
Then you come meet me at a restaurant that we met the first day.
Okay.
I'll be waiting for you with my luggage. After which we move to a remote part of the country where we plan our exit and process our papers. Do you get it?
The message is clear, baby. Don't deal. It doesn't figure out no mistake.
Okay. Good luck, huh?
It doesn't figure out no mistake. The phone.
Okay. Thank you.
Everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything, 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 everything you do comes back to you. Everything, 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 everything you do comes back to you.
Hello there.
Hello, baby. Where are you? You're taking too much time.
Yes, I have gotten the stuff from Betty. I've also delivered it to the buyer. I'm now coming out to meet them.
Yeah, good. Very, very good. Come straight away to the restaurant.
See you soon, baby.
Comes back to you. Everything, 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 everything you do comes back to you. Everything, 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 everything you do.
Got you. Madovo Imekota. My Godfather Nimegota. My Jamaica Nimegota. I can travel to Jamaica with any girl. This is my own definition of miracle. I will take this money to Fege and enjoy it with my people. Okuye mugona Fege. Okuye mugona Fege. One day, Okuye mugona Fege.
Keep your hands clean so you don't get burnt. Do the right thing so you won't get hurt. You can never run away. You're going to face
Bugatti. Oh, very simple thing. You know that it's not going to work, and it is true. Number one, well, that what? That nobody in the whole of South Africa can be able to buy up all the tons of stuff that go with them. Brother, what a fool. Now he took it, the idiot took it to hook, line, and sinker. I keep saying this thing. Men are suffering from psychological, psychomatic, psychophancy, greed. How are you feeling using triple S? $500,000. You know good? The Godfather. When there's no triple S in your system, give on with the AA. Not done you. Anyway, I'm trying to do it again. Let me not try. Maybe you can't make a room. I'm just kind of stupid networks and do something. Switched off. Look at this boy. How can his phone be switched off now that he has collected the money? Look at now. No, I hope he's not trying me, because if he's trying me, he won't like what he's going to get. You see? You better think again now. Think again. There's no way.
everything, everything, everything.
Bravo, bravo, bravo.
Look what you have there. Give her a hand, come on. Big dough. Nice one. Smooth. Excellent. That's very smart. Excellent job, don't you think? You're sorry. Did you hear the bitch? She's sorry. Big dough, you know nobody. Just wait. Just give me some. Did you say we share the money? Did you hear the bitch? She wants to share the money. We can share the money. Look at the bitch. You should have thought about that when you were messing with me. Come on. Ghana? Bro. See you in hell.
Keep your hands clean so you don't get burnt. Do the right thing so you won't get hurt.
Edozie. Your name is supposed to be Chukwu Edozie or Chi Edozie. Better not be what I'm thinking. Because if it becomes what I'm thinking, then the disease, psychological, psychomatic, psychofancy, may wound them mad. Will automatically making it rail your ability to exist. And that means that you start suffering from delusionment that comes with it. In this country, I rule this country. That is why I am AA and not XS. I'm not finished dealing with you. Everybody in your lineage is suffering from psychological, psychomatic, psychofancy, even in the man.
Boss, you're angry.
Yes, it is.
I mean, we're here to make you happy. Why don't you put business behind for now and concentrate on us?
Yes, boss, she's right. I mean, whatever it is that is making you angry, you can still put it behind you and find the treasure looking in the lounges, shooting for
Oh, bitches, you don't get it. You don't get it. $1 million is not a child's play. You know, I kept this deal to bring down Godfather. But now I've lost the deal, I've lost Godfather, I lost the money, I even lost the boy. Oh. I've got that number. Whoever sees on wherever I swear to God, I will track him down even if he's outside this planet. I will do that. No matter what it is.
This is exactly 2 weeks. And not a single word from Dozie. I'm sure he's somewhere in this country, hiding with my money. Edozie, I guess you don't know whom you're dealing with. You are dealing with the triple A. the apostolic antenna. Whatever you hide in this country, like 76, I will find you. Because you have decided to make yourself and then diverge into the systematic understanding of the psychopathic, psychomatic, psychological tendencies of the nickness of death. On your way, I'll add an inquisition. On the Kijiji. Woo, Nessa. It is here. On you.
Hello, Aloysius. How are you now? Huh? Huh? Does it? No, he didn't call me. No. Okay. I've heard you. Okay, alright.
Baby, what is it?
Aloysius, Edoze's elder brother.
Hope no problem.
He said that one man came to the house in the village. That the man said that Edoze has returned to Nigeria.
Edoze? The one that was sporting with you in your one room before you traveled?
Yes. He said the man drove in a very big jeep. And the man was not even funny at all. The man was not smiling. That the man was me. He was asking me if Edoze called me. I told him that Edoze didn't call me.
Yes.
He was asking if I know Edoze's whereabouts. I don't know. If Edoze is still in South Africa, I don't know. If he has returned to Nigeria or Walaka, I don't know.
Well, problems will never cease to come.
Oh, you get that how? Just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter. Now money be the matter. Now money be the matter. Whether you get this how or you get that how, just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter. Money be the matter. Oh, the sweetness in that is able. Just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter. Money be the matter. Whether you get this how or you get that how, just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter. Money be the matter. No matter how you get oh, the sweetness in that is able.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Hop in.
Sorry, sir. I don't know you, sir.
You know what I know you now? You're not a Walaka. Edoze's friend. I'm Edoze's boss.
Okay, you are his boss?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Come into the car.
Okay, sir. How did you know my house?
I've been following him, and I was the day he dropped here.
Okay, sir.
So, has Edoze called you since he returned?
Has he returned?
Like you don't know?
No, I don't know. I've been trying that his South African number. That one is not going. Then I tried his old Nigerian number. That one too. It's not going. I don't know. I don't know that he has come back.
Walaka.
Boss.
Walaka.
Boss.
If I ever find out that you know where he's hiding and you are behaving this way, you know what I will do with you. You won't like it.
Hiding? Why will he hide from you? I hope all is well, sir.
When you see him, you ask him. For now, you can go. What?
Okay, sir.
Comes back to you. Everything, 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 everything you do comes back to you.
Hello?
Wow, Alpha.
Edozie?
Yes, it's me.
Jesus Christ. Edozie, where are you?
I'm somewhere in Africa.
Are you back?
Maybe.
Oh, tell me now. See, that's your boss that you're working for. The man is after you. He has been looking for you. He went to the village 2 times to look for you. And he even came to ask me about you. So, you better go and show yourself now to meet the man.
Don't worry about him. He won't come again. Yes.
So, where are you now?
Don't worry about where I am. The truth is I'm coming soon.
Trust me.
Oku yemuna fege. Owa oku yemuna fege.
I trust you.
It doesn't figure out a mistake.
Edozie. I trust you. I know you make it. I know you make it. I trust you. Hello? Hello? Hey, I know that God will someday visit this poor widow.
Now money be the matter, money be the matter. No matter how you get a boy, the sweetness in the same boy. Just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter.
Hey, that's my friend that was squatting with me and later traveled to South Africa. He's back.
Are you serious?
He called me last night.
Are you serious? I hope you came back with a lot of money, because I don't want to hear all these Yankee boys with no cash.
Same too. We are tired of hearing these Yankee boys with no cash.
You know, say, the way he spoke to me on phone, I don't think he's a Yankee boy with no cash. I think he came back with a lot of money. I'm telling you, if you see how this guy was talking to me on phone, if you see the courage, the morale, the confidence, imagine Edozie telling me that all our problems are over. Edozie said that all our sorrows have ended.
Nice one, though. The guy must have hit it big this time around. Babe.
You're right. It's like he made big money. I'll pay for him.
I don't want to be left out in this game. As you they go, I they follow you, they go, baby boy.
Before uncle. Now me and you now. Me and you now.
Whether you get them this how or you get them that how, just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter, now money be the matter. Now money be the matter. Whether you get them this how or you get them that how, just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter, money be the matter. No matter how you get them, oh, the sweetness in the same, oh, just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter, money be the matter. Whether you get them this how or you get them that how, just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter, money be the matter. No matter the sweetness in the same, oh, just get money anyhow.
Babe. Sorry now. They go down now. See, the guy don't they come, I beg. Do quick.
This how or you get them that how, just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter, money be the matter. No matter how you get them, oh, the sweetness in the same, oh, just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter, money be the matter.
Where is my Mama? Mama, bring drink.
Just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter, money be the matter. No matter how you get them, oh, the sweetness in the same, oh, just get.
What were you looking for in his phone?
You mean you couldn't code? What else will I be looking for in his phone?
Tell me now, eh? Who was that?
Baby, they for my hands.
Tell me, eh?
You just heard the guy say that his friend came back from South Africa. with a lot of money. And he called him last night. Wait a minute. Okay, you are trying to steal the guy's number from his call log, right?
Just that I wasn't lucky today, but I know I will next time.
But how are you sure that the guy will like you?
Yes, the guy has always had his eyes on me whenever I visit to Walaka in his house. I knew if he had his chances then, he would have asked me out before he traveled out.
Hey, baby, I beg, keep my eye where see if you succeed though,
Of course I will. Is it not my baby again? Crazy baby. All these black people now.
Everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. Keep your hands clean so you don't get burnt. Do the right thing so you won't get hurt. You can never run away. You're going to pay something.
Good day, sir.
What can I do for you?
Well, I have a message for you.
A message? What message?
Well, my name is Jude.
Triple S in action. Psychological psychomantic psyphotoncy. What is the message? My name is nomenclature. Jude, what message do you have for me?
Well, I have a message for you from South Africa.
From where?
From South Africa.
Really? Can I have the message?
Keep your hands clean so you don't get hurt. Do the right thing so you won't get hurt. You can never run away. You're going to pay someday. Everything you do.
Oku yewuna fegi. Oku yewuna fegi. In fact, oku yewuna fegi. Oku yewuna fegi. Godfather, you are dead and gone. So I am dead forever. I will not with your name. Oku yewuna fegi.
Everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do. Everything.
My love.
What are you up to this time?
Are you not my love again?
I know that I'm your love. But anytime you sound this way, something must follow. What do you want?
It's no money, no money this time.
What is it now?
Just a little favor.
Favor.
I need a Tuesday's number.
What are you doing with Teresa's number?
Not to know. Just that my younger brother wants to travel to South Africa. So I need to know one or two things about South Africa. Possibly get two contacts.
Comes back to you.
Tell him to call me.
So you don't trust him?
Tell your brother to call me.
Everything you do comes back to you. Everything.
Mama! Where no so? Hey, Mama! How would I go up in a figure? Mama, how would I go up in a figure? Alfonso is my brother. South Africa has blessed me. Mama, South Africa has blessed me. How would I go up in a figure? South Africa has blessed me, brother. You see this house? I will demolish it and build a sexy duplex within 1 month. South Africa has blessed me. What?
Tell your brother.
Mama, why don't you tell me? Madam, whatever. Why you doing? What is it now?
Hey, Dosia! We need to talk. Meet me inside.
One moment. You know when you get my go, won't you at least celebrate and welcome me first? What sort of Mama?
Hey, Dosia! Meet me inside.
Okay. So let's go now. You can't even congratulate someone. Let's go.
Edosia.
Mama.
Edosia.
Mama.
Edosia.
Mama.
How many times did I call you?
3 times.
What did you go to South Africa to do?
Mama, what's all this? What's all this? When people travel abroad and come back, their parents appreciate and celebrate them. Why is my case different? You're supposed to welcome me, appreciate me, and celebrate me. Why are you interrogating me?
Edosia, we will not be part of this kind of money. Yes! I and your brother will not be part of this money if you don't explain to us. He will not take a cover out of this money.
Mama.
Papa?
Other people around here, when they travel and make money, their people accept them, appreciate them, celebrate them. Why are you questioning me?
Because you told us you were going to South Africa for a program.
Okay.
Yes! And in less than 2 months, you came back with a whole lot of money. Does money grow on trees there? I'm asking you, does money grow on trees there? Even if they do, it will take a whole lot of time for you to pluck all this kind of money from there.
Mama, that is why they call it abroad. Abroad! We make money in hard currency. So when we come down here and change it, what's all this now?
We will not be part of this money, and that is it.
Brother, talk now. You're not saying anything.
Hey! Just call my name. Do you hear me? I am with Mama on base.
Good.
Wait, let me ask you. You think you're the only one that knows how to make quick money? Eh? Let me tell you something. We know all this. But we choose to remain poor because we don't want to soil our hands.
Even you too. You know what? Have one. No, rubbish. Never dare go. Have one.
Everything.
have money, problem. If you don't have money, problem. Only where go so.
Comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you.
Money. Let us go inside it.
Do the right thing so you won't get hurt. You can never run away. You're going to pay someday. Everything you do comes back to you. Oh, everything you do. Everything you do. Everything.
I understand you are the one that wants to see me urgently.
Yes, Father.
You are the one that brought the secret donation of 10 million naira for the church building project.
Yes, Father.
How may I help you?
Good. My name is Edozie Fege. I am the drug lord that made confession last week Sunday. I will go straight to the point. I was, Father, read my lips, I was a drug pusher. I graduated from school, but poverty. I was left with no other option. I needed to succeed in life. But that's by the way, I am now a changed man. Yes.
You are telling me that you will not go back to it again?
God forbid. I'm now a changed man.
God has forgiven you.
Thank you very much, Father.
Just keep to your stand.
Thank you very much, Father.
As you said now.
Secondly, my mother is the poor widow that normally sweeps the church every morning.
Jesus Christ. Your mother?
Yes, Father.
She even came this morning?
Yes. But that's not the point. My mom has rejected me, including my brother. So I want you to help me. I want you to talk to my mother. Make her understand that that was in the past. I am now a changed man. I won't go back to that business. Please.
I understand your plight. I wholly understand her proposition. I know what to do. I will send Father Dikeh to go and talk to her. He's a very good friend of hers. I believe she will listen to him. You will hear from me.
Thank you very much, Father. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Peace be unto this house.
Father, you came?
Yes, my dear.
Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you.
This one that you came to our house today. That means that Jesus Christ has visited us. So. Hey, but Father, you shouldn't have bothered yourself coming now. You should have just sent message across and then I will come and see you instead.
Well, you just said that our Lord Jesus Christ visited you.
Yes.
There's such a thing as a divine visitation. This is a symbol of one.
Amen.
Thank you, my dear.
Amen.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you. Let's go.
To err is human, but to forgive is divine. It will be a greater error if you desire not to forgive your son again. And that shows you've made yourself a candidate of hell. If God can forgive you your numerous sins, why can't you forgive your son?
Father, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Father. See, I was trying to find out what he does for a living. How he made his money. That was all I was trying to find out from him. Nothing else.
But you already know that the money is not the legitimate one.
Father, I don't want to involve myself with any ritual money.
No, it wasn't ritual. He made this money from drugs. That was what he told me, and I believe him.
Father, I didn't see it like that, and I didn't understand it that way. I'm sorry. I will do just as you have said.
You just have to do. You have to forgive him. He's still your son no matter what. He's still your flesh and blood.
Father, thanks for coming. I will do as you have said. I really appreciate your comment. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my dear. God bless you.
Mama, the priest told us to forgive him and accept him. We have no option. And to do it. Yeah? After all, poverty is no man's friend.
No problem. I have heard you. No problem.
Mama, let me tell you, those people that donate money to churches, some of them get their stuff, their money in stuff like that. But church never throw them away. They use it for God's work. Maybe this is a medium God is using to redeem us from poverty.
Look, let me tell you, if you don't have anything reasonable to say, just keep quiet. Don't just drag the name of God to the mouth. What is it?
Sorry.
I have decided to accept him, and that is it. Don't make mockery of God.
Mama, sorry, sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
Okay, my son. The priest said that God has forgiven you. Who am I not to forgive you? I have forgiven you. It's okay. God bless you. You are welcome back, my son.
You're a strong man.
Mama, we are blessed. We will never ever suffer again. Brother, I want you to go and check out any business of your choice. I will give you money to establish straight up.
Are you serious?
I also want to demolish this house and build a befitting duplex with 3 months.
Then if we demolish it, where are we going to stay?
Hotel, of course.
I think you should build that house in that our only piece of land.
Okay. Nice idea. Nice one. But I don't like where that land is positioned. I don't like the position. I know what to do. I'll just buy a fresh land. I'll buy a fresh land and build our house.
That's better.
That's better.
Better.
Good afternoon, Father. Good afternoon. I can see that smile on your face.
Yes. I'm here to say thank you very much for restoring back peace into my family.
It's alright. That's our call.
My joy is complete. Thank you very much.
Thank God for that. But remember your promise to God that you will never go back to that way of life.
No, of course. I'm done with that chapter. Yes. I will come back to such business again. I promise.
The Lord is your strength.
Please, manage this from the depth of my heart.
It's alright. Just give it to the less privileged, the orphanage, the fatherless and the motherless. The Lord will equally accept it. Yes.
Alright. Thank you very much, man. I really appreciate it. Sure. May the good Lord bless you and your household.
Comes back to
Mama, this food is so delicious.
Isn't
I can't remember the last time I ate
Yes,
delicious food like this.
Only combo. What do you expect?
Hey.
What do you expect when you went to the market with a whole lot of money that is enough to buy the entire market?
Mama. Oh, let me tell you, poverty is bad. Poverty is a curse.
You are right, my son.
Hey.
You are right. Money is good. Money is good when it is made with a clean conscience. But the one that is not made with a clean conscience is not a good money.
Oh, you're right. You're right. I'm okay, hi, Papa. What will we do now?
everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do, everything you do comes back to you.
Track down the idiots.
That's him. His name is Edozie. He was the last person that worked for Godfather. You know what? Absolutely well.
So you telling me that this fool can sing was the one that made away with my money? Is that it?
Now the shocking news about this whole thing is that this dude you see here is doing absolutely well in Nigeria. Buying properties, cars, houses, just to mention them.
He's living large. This dude is living very nice job.
Keep your hands clean so you don't. Anyhow you like you, make you get money. You go suffer for your life, oh. If you no hold money, you go hustle, you go tire, selling like a seller and a gala. People go back when they see, say you don't get a gumbute. Whether you get them this how or you get them that how, just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter, money be the matter. No matter how you get them, oh, the sweetness in the same, oh. Just get money anyhow. Now money be the matter, money be the matter. Whether you get them this how.
Cheers. You know, I told you that. Such is life. When I was telling you to calm down, be my pal, that I have a bright future, you were like, oh.
Baby, I'm so happy. I'm so happy at last you made it.
You know what? I will spoil you tomorrow.
I will place you on weekly allowance for nothing.
Serious?
Every Monday you'll be getting a lot.
I'm brushing.
Every Monday you'll be getting a lot.
Thank you.
Alright.
I love you.
I love you.
Baby.
Great love. Alright.
Everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you.
Jeez.
You're surprised, right? I told you. Hello? Are you serious? Okay. Babes.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. If you need anything, tell the waitress. They will serve you, okay?
Okay.
Let me attend to something. I'm coming.
I hope you won't keep long.
No, I'm coming. Relax, I'm coming.
I'll miss you.
I miss you.
Keep your hands clean so you don't get burnt. Do the right thing so you won't get hurt. You can never run away.
How did they track me? How did they track me? Why wouldn't they allow me to enjoy my money in peace? Huh?
Comes back to you. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you.
Hello, manager. Listen carefully. 2 boys are standing very close to my car. They are either kidnappers or assassins. Call the police on them. Please do. Just call the police.
Everything you do comes back to you. Everything.
Hello, gentlemen. May I know what both of you are doing here?
Oh,
and who is that person, please? The owner of his car. I'm sorry, but my boss is watching both of you from the security camera. And he orders that both of you should leave the environment. Else, we'll call the police. It doesn't go to you. We'll believe you, okay? That will be better.
Everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you.
Why were you sounding so tense on the phone?
Oh, I'm fine, okay? A friend of mine came to my hotel and picked me in his car, so I left my car behind. I needed to go to that hotel and help me bring my car back. So,
Are you sure you're fine?
come on, I said I'm okay. I had some business calls, but that's none of your business. I'm fine. Just help me get my car.
You're sounding like someone that is fine. You're not looking like that either.
Oh, one hour for you. Get very messy. I'm okay, I'm fine. Help me get my car. I'm fine. You go see where I park for that place, I beg. You think there's
yourself. If you fuck up, no drink. Man, let me say what's in the drink.
Hello? Yeah, baby. Where are you?
Listen. I can't come back to that hotel again. Just find your way.
Baby, are you okay? Are you safe?
Leave the hotel. I can't come back.
Oh God, you're making me uncomfortable. Where are you?
Why do you love asking too much questions? I say leave.
Hello? Oh my God, behind the call. Leave this in here.
God, please deliver me from this world, and I will worship you for the rest of my life. Okay, God. It doesn't forget to see my mistake. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you.
Guys are stripped us! Shit! Let's go!
Keep your hands clean so you don't get burned. Do the right thing so you won't get hurt. You can never run away. You're going to pay someday. Everything you do comes back to you. Oh, everything you do. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do. Everything.
Walak, I'm sorry. Walak, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Everything you do comes back to you. Hello, Ezemo. Please, I need to renew my audition. Please. No, I just want to be 100% sure it's working. Yes. Alright, I'll meet you up. Everything you do.
Not here. It's for this house. And this other one is for the other house. So you say you should choose one.
I should choose.
Anyone you choose now, they will stand you.
Hey. Comes back to you. But they are both beautiful now. Which one will I choose?
Just choose one. Just choose one. Just choose one. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Is he the contractor?
My name is Jim. The brother gave me the message. Oh, Mama, he's the one.
Okay.
Yes, he's the one.
You are welcome. Yes.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you.
The house, they are both beautiful. I've seen it now. They are beautiful. But the problem now is that I don't know the one to choose. But I have to choose now.
Yes. So, sir, should I take you to the lab so you see the place?
Oh, not at all. You see, I will not until I read see.
Oh, a message?
He wrote message for us. That's good. He came with message. He didn't give us message. He just gave us message for us.
Comes back to you.
So nobody wants to go and do something about their corpses?
You go now. Are you not a woman being?
Are you minding her? No, I beg you. See, I even heard that Walaka was shot in Edoze's car, right in front of Edoze's house.
Yes, I heard that too. They mistook him for Edozie.
Yesterday was him. Today is his mother and his brother.
Yes, that's good lesson for those that need quick money. If only to cough.
My sisters. Oh, yeah. You only shall have gone from.
You can never run away. You're going to pay someday. Everything you do comes back to you. Oh, everything you do. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you. You can everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you.
Freeze, you filthy animal! My name is Philmond. I knew I'd get you. Only a matter of time. Here you are. And here we are, fast people. Well, I don't want to kill you. I just want my money. The money you came to South Africa and take. You blessed to make all my dollars.
Rule number one, never mix business with family.
Are you fucking with me? I am talking about my money!
My family members were never part of this.
Fuck your family members, man! I'm talking about my money!
Everything you do comes back to you. Keep your hands clean so you don't get burnt. Do the right thing so you won't get hurt. You can never run away. You're going to pay someday. Everything you do comes back to you. Oh, everything you do. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you. You can never run away. Everything you do. Everything you do comes back to you. everything you do comes back to you. Everything you do comes back to you.